Is your Buick key fob not working? The most common causes are a dead battery or loss of synchronization with your vehicle. Start by replacing the battery. Buick key fobs typically use a CR2032 battery. Open the fob carefully with a small screwdriver, replace the old battery with the new one positive side up, and snap it back together. If that doesn't work, resync the key fob. Sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed. Insert the key into the ignition or press the start button if you have keyless start. Cycle the ignition on and off 10 times within 10 seconds. Then hold the lock and unlock buttons on the fob simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds. The lights should flash, confirming the synchronization. If battery replacement and synchronization don't solve the problem, the issue might be with your Buick's receiver module. A receiver reset involves disconnecting the vehicle's battery for 10 to 15 minutes to clear the system's memory. Reconnect the battery and try the synchronization process again. If problems persist, the receiver module itself might be faulty, which requires a visit to a GM dealership for diagnosis and potential reprogramming with a GM Tech 2 scanner. Looking ahead, Buick is increasingly integrating digital key technology via smartphone apps like My Buick, allowing you to use your phone as a key. Future trends include battery-free key fobs powered by kinetic energy and a broader shift toward app-based or biometric vehicle entry, potentially phasing out traditional key fobs entirely.